guys, Larissa with BeCozi.net is here. BeCozi.net and BeCozi.com is American website with the biggest collection of chunky yarns for hand knitting. Today I will be using our orange and white colors to create this beautiful Fiona the Fox pillow. And we will be using about 1.5 skein of orange and less than half skein of white. So this yarn is available at BeCozi.net, and it's not available in any other stores, so don't run to the craft store. You can go to BeCozi.net or BeCozi.com and buy this beautiful yarn. We ship around the United States and all over the world. Shipping is pretty fast. And please, when you make any of our patterns and post it on social media, tag BeCozi. We love to see your creations when you make them using our videos. This is why I am making all these videos, to see how people learning from my patterns. It's very nice to see your creations. So if you have our yarn ready, let's get started.